my name is Natalia, and last week you all decided for another birthday card. So today I'm gonna show you how to create this Jiggly card. It's actually pretty easy to create, and as you can see, it's super fun. Now you decide what I should create next week by voting in the card above, and let's begin. Here's what you need to create this card. Take your card and fold it in half. We need to make some markings from this fold here. Place the 3 cm mark on your ruler on the fold, then make a mark at 0 and 6 cm, and do the same thing on the opposite side. Place your ruler on the markings you just made and bend the paper over it. Fold your card the other way around. Then pinch the middle piece and fold it to each of the sides. And make sure to press down firmly each time you make this fold. We need to cut off a piece of the middle fold, so place your ruler right on it, then measure and mark 1 and 12 centimeters. Then measure downwards 1.5 centimeters from each of the markings, and then connect the 2 lines with another line. Then cut out the figure you just made, either using a scissor or a box cutter. Now we need to create the letters and also the stick they're going to sit on. When you're creating your letters, make sure to not make them too big, otherwise they're going to take up too much space. So don't make them more than 2.5 centimeters big. So create all of the letters you need and want, and then cut them all out. When you've cut all of your letters out, make sure to erase any pencil markings there might be. To make the letters jiggly, we need to create these sticks of acetate. So take your acetate, then measure and mark 0.5 centimeters for each of the letters that needs a stick. Measure downwards 5 centimeters and then create a line going to the last marking you made at the top. Then create the same 0.5 centimeter markings on this line and then create lines between these 2 opposite markings. These are going to be the short ones closest to the edge, so we need to create some that are longer. So measure downwards 9 centimeters from 5 of your 0.5 centimeter markings. Make the remaining markings and the last lines. Then cut out all of your acetate sticks. Take the 5 longest sticks, put a small amount of glue in the end, and place the letter right on top. Continue this process and leave them to dry. And you also need to repeat the same gluing method with the smaller sticks. When you're completely done, leave them all to dry. We need to glue the letters inside the opening of the card, so put the glue inside the opening and put the letters or the sticks right onto the glue. Add your letters one by one, but leave some room open for the longer sticks. And remember to press down on each and every single stick you add to the glue. Otherwise, it just won't stick properly. Continue this gluing process until you run out of letters. If needed, organize your letters so everything looks good before closing the card. To close it up, put some glue in this area right on top of your sticks. Then close the opening and press down firmly to make it stick. If your card has pencil markings, erase all of them before bending the middle part of the card each way. When the card is completely dry, it's time to jiggle it around. Now for the random question of the day. What activity do you look stupid while doing it? As a kid, I had this ankle skipping rope that you had to, move your body in a weird way to kind of skip the rope. I absolutely loved it, even though I got a lot of bruises on my ankle because the ball hit my ankle every time I tried to skip it. But it was so much fun. It's a simple yet super fun activity. Now I hope you enjoy watching. Leave a like and subscribe if you haven't already. And if you're looking for more birthday DIYs, check out these videos here. And I'll see you soon with more ideas. Bye!